Manufacturing in the Liverpool City region makes a 4.3 billion contribution in terms of GVA to our local economy. It is now the biggest subsector of the Liverpool City region economy and has been growing consistently since 2013, and its growth has outstripped both the national average and the regional average for the North West. My role is predominantly to grow our manufacturing sector, whether that be indigenous growth of our local companies or international inward investment in manufacturing into the Liverpool City region. We have been, over the last 4 years, working on an Industry 4.0 strategy, which is called LCR 4.0. We've worked with over 200 companies over the last 2 years, helping them to bring digitisation to their business. What we needed to do was find a market for those companies. Partnering with the manufacturer, we decided that we would have what's called Digital Manufacturing Week at Exhibition Centre Liverpool. We bring a national and international audience to meet our companies and to allow our companies to showcase those technologies to a new audience that they might not necessarily meet just in their day-to-day sales activity. That's incredibly important for us.
Part of that week is a 2-day exhibition called the Smart Factory Expo, which is all about the way that manufacturers can utilise new digital technologies to develop their businesses, to grow, to be more progressive, to change their business models, to really develop their whole operations around the new digital revolution and what's possible with new technology. And we brought that particular element to Liverpool because of the exhibition centre, because of the number of hotels locally, and because actually Liverpool's got a fantastic draw and communications network that enables people to come from all over the UK, and we've had fantastic results. When we first started out, we had about 2,000 people attend the conference and the exhibition. When we brought it to Liverpool for the first time, we doubled the number of attendees. And subsequently, that's gone on 25–30% growth year after year. So it's been a really, really positive development for us. And actually, the decision to move to Liverpool has been a key part of that success. Liverpool's got a really strong culture of developing these sorts of innovative technologies. So we were able to utilise university incubators, various new government initiatives which are enabling innovation and development of new technology. And we were able to bring all of those various groups together to create a real buzz and a much bigger overall event.
We do look at how do we leverage academia and our academic partners to work with companies. We have some amazing science assets here. The Virtual Engineering Centre is one of the country's pioneers in terms of digitisation and virtualisation. We also have the Materials Innovation Factory, which is part of the University of Liverpool, a world leader in molecular science and surface technologies. And then the Cytec Daresbury over in Holton. It's a crucible of innovation, 600 companies co-located, backed up with some amazing science. That the Hartree Centre resides there, the UK's largest supercomputer given over purely to industrial research.
Centre City is a university enterprise zone, and we are a joint venture between the two universities in the city centre, so that's University of Liverpool and Liverpool John Moores University. What we have here in Centre City is an ecosystem of companies. We can house companies. We have companies that come in and use the laboratories as an outsourced engineering department. We have a membership programme that helps us to stimulate engagement between companies that can benefit from being connected to each other, and also link them into the academic base that we have here with over 100 academics working in sensor-related technology. From our building, you can see the whole of the Knowledge Quarter, the university partner buildings. We're within a 5-minute walking distance from the new Royal Liverpool Hospital, the Accelerator building, the Science Park. It's a great central location, and everybody in the city is very well connected and knows one another and can make appropriate connections where necessary.
When we bring delegates into Liverpool City region, we have an amazing way of showcasing our competitive advantage as a city region to a global audience, utilising the Exhibition Centre Liverpool, but we also, because of the scale of our city region and our excellent transport links, we can take those delegates off-site to see big science, to see transformational science actually in practice, get right up close, ask questions. Again, that's something you can't just do in an exhibition centre. You really need to take those people out into our local ecosystem.